Welcome to our channel. If you want to manage read receipts in Apple Mail to control when senders know you have opened their emails, follow these simple instructions. Step 1. Open the Mail app on your Mac and click on Mail in the menu bar at the top of the screen. Step 2. Select Preferences from the drop-down menu to access Mail settings. Step 3. Click on the Composing tab at the top of the Preferences window. Step 4. Look for the section labeled Send Read Receipts and check or uncheck the box based on your preference. Step 5. If the box is checked, Apple Mail will automatically send read receipts to anyone who requests them. Step 6. If you want more control, uncheck this box so you can decide individually whether to send read receipts when prompted. Step 7. On iPhone or iPad, open Settings, scroll down to Mail, and tap on it. Step 8. Scroll down and look for the Send Read Receipts toggle. Turn it on or off based on your preference. Step 9. When you receive an email requesting a read receipt, you will see a prompt asking if you want to send it, giving you control over each request. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.